What's good, people? You are tuned in to Sea Drift Diaries. Lately we're doing e-bike life. It's all about that bike life. My bike looking a bit messy. We've been getting wild out here. Look at the state of it. Still looking like a scrap bike. This was a scrap mountain bike. I turned into an electric mountain bike. This was based on the Carrera Vengeance. Less of that anyway. We've got our hub motor working. Our battery's on. I need to sort out the battery mount a bit better because you seem to be jumping this bike. But anyways, today's about cosmetics. I'm making this thing kind of like a stealth bomber. I'm going matte black, baby. We're gonna spend less than $5 on this. So this is the $5 makeover in one day. Minimal effort, tiny bit of effort. But anyway, let's talk more action. Let's get it. A disclaimer: this is not a paint tutorial. How to paint your bike? Look elsewhere. This is a ghetto paint tutorial by Sea Drift. When I say ghetto, I mean ghetto. No primer will be used in this instance. No masking tape. No paint booths. No oven to dry the frame. No dismantling parts. We're just doing this real ghetto. Found the miniskirt lying around. Rather than putting it on, I used it to wipe down my Carrera Vengeance, getting rid of all the mud, dust, muck, etc. to a certain level. We're not going ultrasonic clean over here. Ghetto, remember? Ghetto paint job. Random, hub motors are better than mid drives. Comment down below. I got as much loose dust, mud off it as possible. I'm gonna go for this rust next. So no wasting time. Let's talk more action. Let's get it. After some light rust attack, in rust we trust, the frame of the bike, I just want to key the surface. So when I put my layer of paint on, it's got something to hold on to. Without sandpaper, can be done. Scrapes off too easy. Bit too ghetto for ghetto. So there's certain levels to ghetto. Levels to this game. Get to know. As they say, boy better know. For those seeing my ride for the first time, this is my Carrera Vengeance bike that I basically got from a skip kinda scrap junkyard in America kind of thing. Anyways, we're now ready for a light layer of paint. Like I said, we're going matte black. I'm gonna start from the front and go to the back. And anyway, I'm gonna stop waffling. Let's get to it. Yes, correct. We are laying the paint down with everything still attached. I'm talking everything. I took off the back wheel just for some madness that I'm gonna try a little later with some Superman, Spider-Man kind of color theme. But mainly we're going matte black, baby. I'm not even bothering taking off no stickers. I've sanded them down, making them unpeelable in a way, in a fashion. If you know, you know. Done this before. It does the job. It's not a £1,000 bike. I ain't got time to be spending all day spray painting a bike. 1 hour is enough time. So this is how my Carrera Vengeance DIY electric e-bike is getting a makeover. Already halfway through, we're getting it, baby. Matte black, looking more stealthy. Love it. Not playing. I'ma speed up each process. If I can skip a step here, I will skip a step. Like I said, this is not a how to paint. It's basically a how not to paint. I will come up with an update on how this paint job stays, you know, like up to fashion, up to, what's the word I'm looking for? I can't even find my word. Anyways, laying down the paint, baby. Got some slow-mo shots for you. Hope you're loving this 4K footage. The specifications on my Carrera Vengeance, now E-Vengeance, better than a real E-Vengeance from Halfords, as I have a twist throttle, motorcycle style e-bike, baby. 27.5-inch tires all round. Soon to have a rear hub motor to go with the current front hub motor. I'm planning to push this to 3 kilowatts, baby. That's 3,000 watts, half the power of a Saron, but we're lightweight, so we will power to weight ratio maybe keep up with the Saron. I don't know, what you think? Comments down below. Would an electric mountain bike 3,000 watts be as fast as a 6,000 watt Saron? Remember now, you are power to weight ratio. Mountain bike is a lot lighter than a Saron, so I'm led to believe. Back to my bike. Damn, she looking good. Looking like the Black Knight, baby. Finally looking more like a stealth bomber. Soon to have twin batteries, but I'm talking too much now, laying out too much info. She looking good. She needs a name. I'm not sure what a name's gonna be just yet. I'm not too happy with the all black antisocial look. I will add a little bit of color because I'm a family guy. I'm gonna add a bit of color. I'm thinking red, blue kind of thing. Take it for a little spin. Get my paint off my brakes, making loads of squeaky noises, but that won't last long. Making sure everything's running right. Kind of drying the paint as well. Things we don't do, right? But this is Sea Drift Diaries. This is how we do it. Like, subscribe, and all of that, yeah? Now she got it red and blue. She looking more like my kind of bike. Spider-Man, Superman, I don't know. But either way, I'm messy. Doing this 2 hours now. I think it's worth it. Before and after. Matte black or with color. What do you reckon? I'm loving the color. Anyways, I got a couple bikes ready. My bike, another bike, my son's bike. Anyways, we're gonna go to do a school run. Fashion, baby. No car today. We're gonna do on electric bikes and maybe do the long way round home. I know a little bike trail, cycling trail. We're gonna hit that on our electric homemade DIY bikes, basically, including a Razor Rebellion chopper, custom painted and upgraded to 36 volts. We got a 1,000 watt Volmat kit over here. Sea Drift Diaries, you like what you see, you gotta like, subscribe, and all of that, yeah? Comment down below as well. That was absolutely wild. One word, wild. Anyways, kids riding a bike that's too big for him. Short little distance. Now we're doing the long way round, away from the concrete jungle. Checking out the wilderness, baby. Hopefully see a couple bunnies. It is bunny season, being spring in England at this time of year. Check out this trail. Perfect for mountain biking on our homemade DIY mountain bikes, electric mountain bikes. We don't cycle around here. We lazy. Gotta watch our diets, otherwise we're gonna be gaining weight real quick. Being honest though, with a motorcycle style e-bike, would you cycle if you can just pull the throttle, sit back, and check out the views? Nah, it's minimal cycling. We're just enjoying the views, baby. Bike life. First hour out, first day out after my new look. I'm already hitting mud. We're getting muddy, messy. But I guess this is the life. 36 volt Razor chopper, battery lasting over 18 miles at this point. Good stuff. Straight through water, mud. These were meant to be test rides. Wasn't expecting the bikes to work so well. They're working amazing, fantastic in all weathers, all terrain. Therefore, we're gonna take e-biking, e-cycling, or whatever you want to call it more seriously. We need our safety gear. We need cycling helmets, more knee pads, Kevlar gloves, all of that, yeah? While you're at it, check out the view. Moment of silence for that view. Presented through Bike View, Bike Camp. You know, I don't know what to call it, but this is Bike Life. You're watching Bike Life on Sea Drift Diaries. Living it. Don't dream it. Build it. Live it. Take it to the next level. Break it. Mend it. Get back on the trail. That's the life, right? Anyways, I'm waffling again. Let's just enjoy this ride for a little moment. I'm gonna keep it zipped. Hopefully you like the music in the background. I tried to step it up a bit. You're watching this through a Samsung A70 video phone, camera phone. Nothing special. We'll upgrade our camera. Got a GoPro coming on the way. Only a Hero 7, but it's on the way. Checking out the trails. Nothing extreme today. No jumps. My bike is not getting dirty today. Not chance of that. In England, they have these gates, you could say. They're to stop motorcycles, big motorcycles, stolen motorcycles, riding through parks and trails, etc. Absolutely brilliant for that reason. Nightmare for us. But anyway, I'm becoming an expert. I can get through it in literally 2 seconds flat. It's getting a bit muddy over here. I think we are gonna stop our little video here. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, and all of that, yeah? Until the next one, we're out. I hope you enjoyed it. Damn, she looking good. She needs a name. Please comment down below a name for my DIY electric mountain bike that is now matte black with a bit of blue and red. There's the 1000 volt, 1000 watt Volmat kit, and there's my baby. Anyways, I'ma stop waffling. I've been waffling a lot on this video. I am out. I've been your host, Sea Drift. Make sure you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed, you might get 3 years bad luck. So click the subscribe. No. I'm just not gonna do all that voodoo crap. Like and subscribe. This bike was a front hub motor conversion, DIY conversion. Please, only do this at your own risk. I'm out.